Managed IT services, in a nutshell, it's taking some sort of IT task that your company may have and outsourcing it to a third-party contract. So that might look like, managing your network infrastructure, providing support to your employees and their devices, such as a PC or a tablet. Regardless of what product, right, or service your company provides, your company is at heart a technology company these days. So you need someone to manage that IT and keep the business running smoothly. And if your company plays in that small to medium business space, more than likely, you don't have the time or you don't have the budget that it takes to hire someone in-house. And so using a managed services company like Optimized IT, is a good trade-off for that. Some of the benefits of outsourcing your IT are, you get support from a whole team of IT experts. So instead of being reliant on one critical employee that knows everything IT in your company, now you have a whole team. So you're not worried about someone taking vacation or getting sick. Our company takes a proactive approach to your network and monitoring, so we're not reactive. We provide remote help desk support, offsite backup and disaster recovery, which can tend to get overlooked if that's something that's done in-house, is a big one as well. And then, I guess lastly, fixed monthly invoices. So outsourcing to a third party that can say, hey, for X number of dollars a month, we'll provide all the IT services for you, makes it very easy to budget.